This is Keisha here at TradeWithResolve.com, and this will be a live day trading video. If you're interested in learning basic trading terminology, viewing tutorials, or live day trades, consider subscribing to the channel for more content. I'm currently watching the E-mini Nasdaq Futures here, so I'm looking to take a quick scalp trade here with just one contract. I think that we can get a push to the upside here. So let's see what happens with the price action.
Order filled.
So I am now in the trade at 42.50. I have a target exit price up at 45, so I'm just going for 2.5 points or 10 ticks here for a potential $50 profit. So let's see what happens here.
Target filled.
I am all out of the trade for a 10-tick profit, which equated to $50 with just one contract. I hope you enjoyed this quick live trade, and if you did, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.